In this video, we are going to look at how to make a bird feeder, because you need to grow birds but not at home. I'm not saying about growing birds at home in cage, because you need to grow them naturally. When you keep some food outside the balcony or in the terrace, they may come to home and eat them and go off. You should keep some bathing things like water in a tub and some feeding with water, so that they will eat and they will be happy. And today's environment has no birds, no plants, nothing. So we need to grow them and our future should be good. So we will see how to start making it. And it will be a DIY, a waste product, byproduct, and it will be useful so that you need not use much money on it, and you will refill only once a month or once in a while, a week. If there are more birds, once in a week. If there are 2 to 3 weeks, then it will take some time. So let's start how to make it. So needed are a waste bottle. It may be 2 liter or 5 liter or 1 liter according to your way, and it should be refilled that much times. If it is small, it should take more time, and if it is big, it will take less time to refill. It is the Fevikwik. It is a super glue. It will stick fast. So to stick it towards the plate. It is the wood plate. So we are going to use it as the base. We have taken some food. It is made up of it is wheat grains, complete wheat grains with rice. So I have many pigeons in my area. So pigeons do eat wheat and rice. If you have sparrows in your area, you accordingly give the food. If what you research on Google, what do the birds eat, and then give them. If it is a crow, if you have many crow in your area, cut some fruits or whatever food you have and place it in a plate. They will eat. So let's get started. So take the bottle cap, and I'm just using the super glue to stick it. If you have glue gun, it is much more better because it will stick very hard. So just pouring some and placing it in the middle. So we'll see within some time. Just pour some on the sides. Used it and it has been sticked. See how it sticks. So we are going to make some holes in the bottle so that the food will come out. As we fill, the food will come out and fall here, and the birds can eat. So let's make the hole. It is to make the food come out. So the size of the hole must be nearly 15 times bigger than the cereal you use as the food, so that the food may get out very easily. And I have made the hole using a screwdriver. I kept it on a gas stove. It got heated and I kept it on the bottle. I kept the screwdriver on the bottle. It got heated up and get molten. Then it made a hole. So it's a DIY, right? So I'm using everything from my home. If you have a hole maker, hot hole maker, then you can use that also. So now we have to cut the top for reef. I have cutted it using a cutter, and I have made it into a wavy shape. So it's not perfect circle. So it will be beautiful to look. I will make a margin out of it, so it will look so beautiful. So we need to make a hole. So I have made a hole. See, I have made a hole. In the same place, you fix and check it. Where is the place you need to make the hole? Then, in the same place, you make a hole. Like that. In the opposite side also, you need to make a hole. So I have made a hole using the punching machine. So see, I have matched it so that it will not fall. I can use to refill, I will lock using a thread. So see, I have made a hole in the opposite sides. The jute thread to tie the both ends of the bottle. So see, I'm inserting it inside. I'm taking the same part I have used to make the hole. So this is not the part, this was the part nearby. So I'm just putting it again over here. So I'm going to tie it tightly. A knot, so I'm going to fix it. Before that, I'm going to draw markings using marker. So I'm just drawing this, making this black so that it don't. Created the bottle. I have written love birds. I have written leave them to live. I have drawn many birds, their food. I've written love, love, love. I have drawn many hearts. So let's see how it works. So I'm twisting it inside. See. So now let's see how it works. We are going to set opening the cap. I'm going to fill the rice. The food, it is made of rice and this thing, wheat. So I'm using the rice and the wheat for it, for the bird to eat. See how it works. When the food is eaten, when it is gone, the food is coming from inside. See? So whenever this is over, it will resend again and again. So you need to have a shoelace knot over here. So let's tie a knot. Lock the cap of the feeder. I'm going to make a shoelace knot so it will protect it from water or something not to fall inside. So I'm tying a shoelace knot. Shoelace knot is very easy so that we can easily take it. Whenever we want to fill, you can just open it like this and just open it up and fill it again. So I'm using a shoelace knot now. So when we talk about bird feeders and birds, there are many kinds of birds to see in a city, like house sparrows, pigeons and crows, animals like squirrels. They are social animals. They do live with people. They are animals who tend to live with people. So you need to give them space to live or just give them food so that they live happily. And if you think this kind of feeder is made specially for pigeons, it should be kept on a slab or on a stand or on a wall so that the pigeons love to stand and eat. But if you think of sparrows, they love to come and fly and sit on a rod. So you can place a rod in between and you can hang it so sparrows can eat. And you should add the variety of food sparrows eat. So this is mainly for pigeons. If you want to give food for sparrows, then make a hole and add a rod in it, and then you can see that sparrows come, stand on the rod and eat the food. So they love eating like that. But if you think of crows, crow eat everything, so you can keep it anywhere on a plate. They will come and eat and go off. If you think of animals like squirrel, they also eat if you keep some fruits. So let's see how it works. And something to say about bird house. If you think of making a bird house, I will make a separate video on bird house, how to set up a bird house, how to feed them, how to water them, what is the distance, in a separate video. If you keep a bird house nearly 12 feet away, you should keep feed for them, food for them and water for them, so that they can fly away, and they love eating by flight. And if you want to give them a path, you can keep a tub of water nearby, at least 12 feet away from the house they have built. So the importance of birds in your garden is higher. When you attract birds to your garden, the birds eat the caterpillars, the insects in your garden, and make your garden insect free. So I love birds. And thanks for watching my video. I think this video will be useful to you.